Welcome back to another video. If you saw my previous video, I created something like a baby elephant. I posted onto Facebook for people's opinions on what animal I should bring out of the piece, and I had a lovely response. I had a turtle, an angry goose, the elephant, a pig, a donkey, giraffes, a gorilla, among other things. So some of them, oh, and a squid. A squid was really popular on there. So I figured I'm going to use the little app on my phone and put each animal onto the top to see which fits best and then decide how I like to bring it out. I'll add in some lovely little clips in case you didn't catch the last video. If you'd like to see it, it's video number 38. If not, I'll show you here. And intended in this video to do the second half, which is another multicoloured elephant but on a white negative space. This time I'd like its trunk to be reaching out for the baby elephant. So this may be an elephant, it may match the other elephant. What I make today may just have a mind of its own as well and be absolutely nothing like I want it to be. All of that said, if you'd like to see my paints and my recipe, again, please go to the previous video and it'll save me going through all of that now. I can get straight on. My paints are already here. Got all the beautiful multicoloured ones and my tube rig. And we'll just crack right on with it. Okay, so I'm just going to pour all of my white out. Okay, so it wants to be taller, so coming in from this top corner. Something happened after I mixed up my paints and poured them in the tubes. So I just poured all of the colours into the tubes with black in the central tube first and then a tiny bit of orange and then filled up with white. All of the rest are just random colours poured into the tubes. On this side, if you can make anything out, we've got some really funny stuff going on. Can't see a thing. I'm just trying to get you a little shot of how these have come out since you didn't get to see them go in. So I'm going to get on with this. It's going to be absolutely nothing like this first piece. But as long as we can all live with that, then fine. Ta-da! Okay, so I'm pooped. The paint's done. It's had enough. I'm calling it. There's some really suspect areas. But it's a fake elephant. I'll just turn my pieces around and I'll show you what they look like. And both do need some work. Thank you all for watching.